Lily's heart swelled with joy as she handed the kitten over to its grateful owner. The elderly woman, whose name was Mrs. Thompson, explained that Oliver had a penchant for wandering, but had never ventured this far from home. She expressed her gratitude to Lily, showering her with blessings and a basket of freshly baked goods as a token of appreciation. As Lily walked back through the woods, a sense of fulfillment enveloped her. The lost kitten, now found and reunited with its owner, had led her on a journey of discovery. Not just through the winding paths of the town and the wilderness, but also within herself. Lily realized that sometimes the most profound adventures are those driven by compassion and the desire to bring a little warmth to the lives of those around us. Little did Lily know that her journey with Oliver was just the beginning of a series of magical escapades that would weave through the fabric of her small town, leaving a trail of heartwarming tales for generations to come. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, but the enchantment of Lily's story with Oliver lingered in the hearts of the townspeople. The once lost kitten had become a local celebrity, and Lily reveled in the warmth of her neighbors' smiles as they passed by. Yet, her adventures were far from over. One sunny afternoon, Lily received a mysterious letter in an ornate envelope sealed with shimmering wax. The letter, written in elegant script, invited her to visit the outskirts of town, where an enchanted garden supposedly held the key to unraveling more tales of wonder. Intrigued, Lily followed the winding path that led to the garden, a place she had never explored before. As she stepped through the wrought iron gate, the air shimmered with magic. Flowers of every color imaginable bloomed in perfect harmony, and the fragrance was a symphony of nature's finest perfumes. In the center of the garden stood a majestic oak tree, its branches reaching toward the heavens. Beneath the tree, a wise-looking owl named Merlin perched, its eyes gleaming with ancient knowledge. "Greetings, Lily," it hooted. "I've been waiting for you." Perplexed but fascinated, Lily approached Merlin, who explained that the garden was a haven for lost and magical creatures. Each being held a unique story, and Lily, with her compassionate heart, was destined to uncover these tales and bring joy to those in need. Merlin's first companion was a mischievous squirrel named Hazel, whose acorn stash mishaps had led it to the enchanted garden. Hazel, grateful for Lily's arrival, became Lily's guide through the garden's secret nooks and crannies, introducing her to its eclectic residents. In a hidden glade, Lily met Luna, a gentle deer with silver-spotted fur. Luna had lost her way during a celestial event and found solace in the enchanted garden. Lily, understanding the longing for home, promised to help Luna find her path among the stars once more. As the days passed, Lily encountered more lost souls seeking refuge in the Gardenia chatterbox parrot named Rio, a wise tortoise named Aria, and even a whimsical firefly named Spark who danced through the night sky. Through her adventures, Lily discovered that the enchanted garden was a tapestry of interconnected stories, each thread weaving a tale of resilience, friendship, and the universal desire to find one's way home. The once quiet outskirts of town now echoed with laughter and the soft rustling of leaves, a testament to the magic that had been awakened. Word of Lily's newfound journey spread like wildfire, drawing curious townsfolk to the enchanting garden. Families and children, inspired by Lily's compassion, began exploring the hidden corners of their world, discovering the beauty that existed just beyond the familiar. As Lily continued to unravel the mysteries of the enchanted garden, she realized that the true magic lay not only in the fantastical stories she uncovered, but also in the connections forged and the love shared. The garden had become a sanctuary where lost souls, both human and creature alike, found solace, understanding, and the courage to embark on their own journeys. Little did Lily know that her adventures in the enchanted garden were merely the prologue. to an epic tale that would bind the destiny of the town and its inhabitants in ways she could never have imagined. The magic of compassion and the resilience of the human spirit were about to be tested as the town faced challenges that would shape its future forever.